Hi guys, this is Nitish Mandal and welcome to the new and exciting video. In this video, I am going to show you how can you auto-tune your voice using your phone. So you can see right now that I have been recording from my phone and you can hear the auto-tune voice. So you can do it in very simple way from your phone. I'll be showing you in this video. Watch the video after a short intro. Welcome once again guys. You'll have to just download an app from the Play Store, or I'll give me the link in the description box below, so check it out and you can download from there. And one most important thing that you will have to use earphone or mic for recording your voice so that you can get perfect quality or professional quality of auto-tune voice. And if you have knowledge of singing and scales and chords, then you can make your auto-tune voice more professional. And so watch the full video and don't skip a single second of video because I'll be giving more information about the app. So let's start the tutorial. So first of all, you will have to open the Play Store and then search there voloco, VOLOCO, and Autotune plus Harmony. At first you will get it, and then the rating you can see 4.2. just download it, install it, just open that. Now click on OK and then just tap on audio or video that you want to shoot. So you will have to just click on audio and then start singing. So here just keep on tapping on next. Okay, so here is the interface that you can see, and while recording you will have to just use this is the interface you will get. And here is the first we get a key. Here is about various things, that is scale, major, minor, etc. Various things are given over here. And another is the effect, and there are various effects for modern rap 2, etc. and you will get when you will be buying this premium. Otherwise you have the option for the normal, that is hard tune, natural, etc. So here is mixing one and mastering. So you get compressor, equalizer, reverb, various things over here, so you can manage all the things. So I'll be giving you the voice sample by recording. So the voice that you are hearing right now is auto-tune voice, and you can just see here key, that is flat, major, etc. E you can choose if you have knowledge for this. Otherwise keep it simple, that it has been given already. So I'll keep it simple, and you'll go in effect and then hard tune like this. Then natural tune, you can feel the sound quality now it has been changed. So let's go for super vocoder. You'll get the robotics type of voice over here, you can hear right now. And the same, and here is big chorus. This is the voice that you heard in the first portion of my video, and noise reduction only. So these are the things. And now let's move to mixing. Here is mute live vocals, pitch correction, other thing are here. And here is mastering, and you can just click on bypass, slide thickening of voice, slow attack. There are various options given, so you can choose if you have knowledge for this. Otherwise you can just keep it on. I'll close this recording. It has been recording now. I'll just close it. It has been compressing the audio. So this is the audio, and I'll save from here by clicking save and then allow it. Thank you very much for watching my video, and if you are new over here, then please subscribe to my channel because I bring such interesting video. And if you have any questions and queries, then you can ask me in the comment box. I'll be giving your answer. And please share with your friends and like the video. Thank you very much for watching.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.